Aryan Khan's wait finally ends as his Ghar Wapasi was complete today. Son of Shah Rukh Khan walked out of Mumbai's Arthur Road jail after spending 22 days in prison in connection with the Mumbai cruise drug bust case. At 11:01 a.m., in fact, this morning, Aryan Khan walked out of jail. His bodyguard Ravi Singh escorted him from the jail to his residence Mannat in Bandra West. His convoy of cars reached Mannat at 11:33 a.m. amid huge media and fans' presence. Hundreds of SRK's fans gathered outside Mannat with band baja, welcoming the 23-year-old son of SRK. Aryan could not be released on spite of bail being granted to him on Thursday by the Bombay High Court, as Team Aryan could not submit all documents in the Zamanat box at the Arthur Road jail before the deadline of 5:30 p.m. yesterday. Mustafa Sheikh is getting asked more details. He joins us live from Mannat for more on that story. Mustafa, just do tell us what's the scene like right now at Mannat. Are the fans still there, and what's really going inside the household?
Well, yes, of course. We'll just show you. Behind us is the road to Mannat. The people are still there, though, because there was a crowding happening, and so the police is trying to manage this entire crowd. And this is the road which we are showing you. This on the left hand side just is the bungalow of Shah Rukh Khan, which is Mannat, and here you will see a lot of friends had gathered since morning. The numbers have now decreased, but yes, there are still people who are present. And we'll show you some of the fans here with the posters of Shah Rukh Khan. ये क्या है बस?
ये जो है ये लायन किंग पिक्चर का है, ये भाई बताएगी।
ये जो शेर है ये मुफासा है, मुफासा शाहरुख खान, और ये सिम्बा, सिम्बा मतलब आर्यन। तो भाई ने इसको आज खुशी में उठाए, तो उस वजह से हम लोग ये बना के लाए।
आप लोग शाहरुख खान के फैन हैं। हमने बहुत दिनों से सुना कि शाहरुख खान काफी, आप कह सकते हैं, फ्रस्ट्रेशन में थे या किसी से बात नहीं कर रहे थे। आज एज अ फैन आपको कैसा फील हो रहा है आर्यन खान घर पे आने?
बहुत अच्छा फील हो रहा है, मतलब बहुत खुशी हो रही है कि भाई को आज देख के। लेकिन हम लोग एक चीज कहना चाहेंगे कि भाई टेंशन मत लेना, हम लोग सब आपके साथ में। और हमें
हेयर स्टाइल भी तो आपके जैसी है।
जी, हेयर स्टाइल ऐसी है, ये बचपन से ऐसी है। मैं उनको बचपन से मतलब फॉलो करते आया हूँ और मैं उनका बहुत बड़ा फैन हूँ, शाहरुख सर का। जी।
So you can see that the fans are outside Mannat still, and they are relieved for Shah Rukh Khan that Aryan Khan has come back home. Back to you.
All right, Mustafa, be with us. We'll just come back to you for more on that story in a bit from now. Mustafa is telling us, of course, about fans being present outside Mannat. The numbers have dwindled essentially, but because the police also was asking the fans to, in fact, move away from the residence. But let's now, of course, take a look at Aryan Khan's journey from the jail to Mannat today. It was on the second day of October when Aryan Khan was helped from a cruise in Mumbai by the Narcotics Control Bureau. That was a Saturday. In fact, Saturday, the 2nd of October. On the 8th of October, Aryan Khan was sent to jail by the special NDPS court. On the 28th of October, the Bombay High Court granted him bail. That was on a Thursday, the day before yesterday. Finally, on the 30th of October, which is today, Aryan Khan walked out of jail, reunited with his family at Mannat. Mustafa Sheikh continues to be with us. Mustafa, of course, it's been a very difficult time for the entire family, as it would be for any other family. You know, this is no different, really, given their superstar status also of Shah Rukh Khan. But do tell us, what are the plans today? How do they plan to welcome Aryan Khan? What are the celebrations that are being planned? Shah Rukh Khan's birthday is on the 2nd of November. 2 days later, on the 4th of November is Diwali. So important days also coming up.
Well, yes, of course, as I speak, I'll just show you again the visuals outside, just outside Mannat on the road. As you were saying that it will be a special time. What we are getting to here is that Aryan Khan will, he will be given 1 or 2 days rest, because what we are told is that things were not really comfortable inside the jail, and there were reports of how he was frustrated, he was angry, he was not talking, he was not eating, surviving on biscuits and chips. There was time when Aryan Khan's bail was rejected by Sessions Court, and those times were really tough. So on 21st of October, we actually saw just after the second wave, as the meetings with relatives physically had opened up, Shah Rukh Khan was the first one to reach there at around 9 a.m. and go and meet Aryan Khan. There was a glass ceiling between, though they spoke over phone, but they were able to see each other. So from then, the entire journey for the High Court hearing started. And in fact, even day before yesterday, when bail was given, it was being said that day before yesterday would be the last night for Aryan Khan to be in jail. But no, it took some more time for him to come out. And yesterday, the preparations were not completed, and then it was today finally when the bail formalities were completed, when he was released. So it is really, you can say, has been a difficult time. It would be 2 to 3 days before Aryan Khan adjusts back to his normal conditions, and then obviously the family will give him time, and the family will give him some consolation required so that he can recover. And then, of course, the festivities like Shah Rukh Khan's birthday and Diwalis are lined up for the family. Back to you.
Yes, Mustafa, be with us. In fact, you did say that Aryan Khan will obviously require some time because life is not going to be the same for him. There are many bail conditions that he needs to follow, he needs to adhere to. They have been put out by the Bombay High Court for Aryan Khan. He must not indulge in activities similar to charges. He can't be leaving the country without the permission of the court. That's the second condition. Third is that he must inform the Narcotics Control Bureau in advance if going out of Bombay. He must attend court proceedings when called. He should not delay the trial once it begins. 1 lakh personal bond for surety has been given already. He must also surrender his passport before the court. He must mark his presence at the NCB office every single Friday, every Friday. He must not establish contact with any of the co-accused in this case.